Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss Objective Mechanical Part 12, useful for upcoming NHPC JEE exam, SSC JEE exam, and also useful for your NMDC exam. All questions are from production technology or manufacturing technology part. Question 1. The blades of power saw is made of. This picture is from power saw picture. Blade means this one. This is the blade made up of your carbon steel or nowadays high speed steel blade also available. So high speed steel, option A is your correct answer. Next question. The temperature of wrought iron in forging. In forging normally 0.75 of your melting temperature. Wrought iron melting temperature 1539 degrees Celsius, iron melting temperature into around 0.45 means it will come around 1150 degrees Celsius. So from option 1275 degrees Celsius. Option A is your correct answer. Then mortise, Vizag steel question. Mortise gauge is from option striking tool, boring tool, planing tool. It's a marking tool. This picture is mortise gauge picture. It's a marking tool. D is your correct answer. Next question. A moving mandrel is used in moving mandrel. It's for tube drawing process. So C is your correct answer. Next question. The type of file used for a woodwork. This is the picture. For woodwork, carpentry shop, you will get this type of files. It's a rasp cut file. C is your correct answer. One more thing you have to remember. All boiler tubes are made by tube drawing process. If anyone from Trichy, Tamil Nadu, they can visit BHEL SSTP plant. Here they are using tube drawing process. Moving mandrel to produce boiler tubes. Next question. The chisel used for cutting key wedge. For cutting key wedge, cape chisel. This one cape chisel. We used for cape chisel used for cutting key wedge. So B here correct answer. Next question. Match the items list 1 and list 2. Blanking is shear force. So this one not possible. Third one also not possible. A3. Then stretch forming, it's tension B with 1. So this one is a correct answer. C with 2. Coining, compression correct. Deep drawing, tension and compression. Deep drawing, it's like deep drawing. So your flange portion, you will get this flange portion, you will get biaxial tension and compression. Then your inner wall of cup means this portion you will get uniaxial tension. D is your correct answer. Then next question. A diamond pointed chisel is used for cutting. Diamond pointed chisel. This figure for diamond pointed chisel. This is for V grooves and cape chisel for cutting key wedge. So from option we will check. V shaped grooves. D is your correct answer. Next question. The fatigue strength of metal is improved by setting up compressive stresses in the surface by a process. It's short pinning process. It improves fatigue strength of metal by setting up compressive stresses in the surface. It's short pinning process. Option B is your correct answer. The next question. Which of the following process would produce strongest component? Die casting? No. Casting not possible. Hot rolling, extrusion, forging. Forging is the maximum here. You will get strongest component in forging. The next question. Misran is a casting defect which occurs due to misran. Misran, it's like if this is the shape of a casting. If we will pour molten metal from here, then it will feel like this, and final area in some area in this region it's unable to feel, means you will get some voids. It's like a void. It's a casting defect. It's called as misran. Misran mainly due to insufficient fluidity of material, or if your pouring temperature is too low also you will get misran defect, or your cross section of mold cavity. See, in this area cross section of your mold cavity is too thin. That's why you will get misran. So from option, very high pouring temperature of metal, insufficient fluidity of molten metal. This is the best option. Next question. An expandable pattern is used in expandable pattern investment casting. Slush casting, squeeze casting, centrifugal casting, investment casting. D is your correct answer. Then next question. Which of the following engineering material is the most suitable candidate for hot chamber die casting? For hot chamber die casting, lead and tin, best material. From option, low carbon steel, titanium, copper, tin. D is your correct answer. Tamil Nadu, this one, Telangana State Public Service Commission. AE exam question. Lump of granular flux is separately used in lump of granular flux. Granular flux means here submerged arc welding. From option, carbon arc welding, submerged arc welding. Then next question, carburizing flame is used to weld metals like carburizing flame. So carburizing flame, this one for your high carbon steel, then aluminum, nickel, copper, brass and bronze, your oxidizing flame, stainless steel, cast iron, grey cast iron, neutral flame. So here they ask for carburizing flame, high carbon steel, aluminum, nickel. From option D is your correct answer. Next question. The consumable electrode is used, consumable electrode. Non-consumable electrode is TIG arc welding. Consumable electrode, this one non-consumable electrode, very very important. MIG welding, consumable electrode. So option B is your correct answer. Then next question, reducing flame is obtained in oxyacetylene welding. Reducing flame means your acetylene is greater than oxygen, greater than 1. This one reducing flame, excess of acetylene. This one is your correct answer. Excess oxygen is your oxidizing flame. Equal parts of both gas, neutral flame. How many elements define the tool signature? Tool signature defined by 7 elements. Back rack angle gamma B, side rack angle gamma S, then end clearance angle theta E, side clearance angle theta S, CE is your end cutting edge angle, then CS side cutting edge angle, R is your nose radius. 7 elements of tool signature. D is your correct answer. So this one is your back rack angle. Then your side rack angle you will get in your front view. Back rack angle you can see in side view, and in your front view you will get side rack angle. This one is your side rack angle. Then end clearance angle and is your side clearance angle. End clearance angle also called as end relief angle. This one is your end clearance angle or end relief angle. Then side clearance angle you will get here. In front view you will get your side clearance angle. Then end cutting edge angle and side cutting edge angle. Both angles you will get here. End cutting edge angle, end part you will get, and side you will get here side cutting edge angle. Then nose radius, this one is your nose radius. 7 elements. Side view, front view and top view. Next question, with high speed steel tools, the maximum safe operating temperature HSS, it's around 540 degrees Celsius. So B is your correct answer. Temperature wise, ceramic, then you will get your carbides, then HSS, high speed steel, then your carbon steel. Carbon steel. Next question, the relationship between the shear angle phi, friction angle beta and the cutting rack angle alpha and the machining constant C for work material is what? NTPC question. So you have to follow Ernst and Marchant theory. From Ernst and Marchant theory, 2 pi plus beta minus alpha it's equal to pi by 2. From option 2 pi plus beta minus alpha equal to pi by 2. Here options are different. So finally constant available. So you have to follow Marchant theory. Marchant theory. From Marchant theory, 2 pi plus beta minus alpha it's equal to cot inverse k, or k is your constant. 2 pi plus beta minus alpha it's equal to constant. From option we will check. A is your correct answer. And one more theory also important, Lee-Shaffer's theory or slip line field theory. Phi plus beta minus alpha it's equal to pi by 4. Or Merchant theory, Ernest Merchant theory, that one also important, Ernest and Merchant theory. 2 phi plus beta minus alpha it's equal to pi by 2. Both theories are important, Lee-Shaffer's theory and Ernest and Merchant theory. Next question, the main purpose of chaplets used in foundry. Chaplets support the core, to provide efficient vesting, to ensure directional solidification, to support the core. Yes, C is your correct answer, to support the core. This question is very important, already asked in 5 different exams. In Karnataka Public Service Commission, then Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, Rajasthan, UP, Bihar, 5 different public service state public service commissions exam already asked. Then next question, core prints. Core prints are used to strengthen the core, no. Form sheet to support and hold the core in place, yes. To support the core and hold the core in place. B is your correct answer. Shields are, this one used for directional solidification. Very important. Directional solidification. From option we will check, mixed in sand to enhance its collapsibility, no. Metallic objects to provide very high heat extraction capacity of sand mold, yes. B is your correct answer. Shields are metallic objects to provide very high heat extraction capability of sand mold. B is your correct answer. Then next question, shields are used in the casting to provide the support to the core, no. Improve the directional solidification, yes. B is your correct answer. Shields used to improve your directional solidification. Next question, asked in Rajasthan Public Service Commission lecture exam. The properties of molding sand that allow the gases to escape from the mold. Its permeability, it should high, so that gases should escape from the mold. Otherwise blowholes you will get. Then regarding refractoriness, it's the property of mold sand to withstand high temperature of molten metal, to withstand high temperature. Jharkhand PSC exam question. A taper provided on the pattern for its easy and clean withdrawal from the mold is known as. Taper provided on the side of pattern. On the side of pattern means it's a draft allowance. D is your correct answer. This is the end of this part 12. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.